Hello everybody, I would like to introduce about myself. My name is Albertus Bayu Sadewo. You can call me Bayu. I live in Tangerang, Banten. I live with my parents. I am only child in my family. I am studying at the Sanata Dharma University, majoring in Indonesian language and literature education. I am studying Indonesian language and literature education because I want to be a teacher Indonesian language. Teaching about Indonesian language to be a good word and a good talking in the Indonesian language. Then I want to be a teacher is will of my parent. My hobbies are watching movie and listening to music. My favorite genre movies are action and drama. I like action movies because in action movies I can see the show, the grit, and the cool move. My favorite action movies are Fast and Furious and Resident Evil. I like drama movies because in drama movies I can learn how to solve a problem and I learn to see the problem from various point of view. My favorite drama movies are Nanti Kita Cerita Tentang Hari Ini and Dylan movies. For the music, my favorite genre music are EDM and Indonesian pop. I like EDM music because of me, EDM music is different from the other genre music. EDM music around the beat to good music. When I'm listening EDM music, I become excited to doing my activities. I like Indonesian pop because I always listening this music in every place. And then the longer I like this music because the lyrics sometimes relate with my situation. My favorite singer Indonesian pop are Tulus and Pamungkas. And then my favorite singer for EDM music are Marshmello and Chainsmoker. I'm interested in editing photos and videos and photography. I like editing photos and videos because when I'm study at previous school, I'm study in animation majors. And there I study how to editing videos and make animation. When after make animation, I must editing my animation. When I'm editing my animation, I feel I'm good in this field. I like photography because at the first I just study at my previous school, but I feel I'm good in this field because I feel I'm good in this field. Then I'm trying to practice my skill in photography, like join photography group and joining extracurricular photography in my previous school. For my experience, I was appointed to my school for editing videos for my school YouTube channel. In there, I editing videos about event in my school. Other than editing, I was appointed to my school to be photographer for documentation event in my school. I have also done fieldwork training for 3 months in the digital promotion session. I fieldwork training at Batavianet iPhone Media Tama in the IT field. When I fieldwork training, I make a digital ads. I want to be a writer to my dream job because become a writer I can write a scenario film script and I can write a novel book. I want write a scenario film script because my future plan I want make a one creation for making film. I want write a novel book because I want have a creation in my majoring. When and then I want have a creation about literature. Is that write a novel book? Thank you. Hi everybody, I would like to tell you about my job interview. My name is Albertus Bayu Sadewo. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Tangerang, Banten. I'm studying at Sanata Dharma University, majoring in Indonesia language and literature education. When I'm study about writing skills, reading skill, and study about literature. My personalities are I'm a humble person and I'm like teamwork because I'm happy to be able help many people, be humble, friend with anyone, respect with people and not to be arrogant. I like teamwork because I like to work with a lot of people and meet the new people. For me to work with a team, I can see different perspective for various people. My dream job is writer. I suitable to be a writer because I have been writing skill, reading skill, and study literature. In writing skill, I'm study how to good word and how to a correct word. In this field, I must study writing skill because in writing skill, I can recognize word that I do know about the functional of the word, the placement of the word, and the meaning of the word. Being a writer in writing skill is really needed because become a writer I have to training the vocabulary that arrange word into sentence that are interesting and liked by reader. I like reading skill. In reading skill, I'm study how to reading the right word. I'm learn how to pronounce the correct words. I'm study reading skills because become a writer. Reading skill is important too because in reading skills I can add knowledge and hone to writing skills. Other than that, reading skill can improve talk pattern, creativity, and improve public speaking skill. Then in literature, I'm study about structure from literature. Example like find a core in literary work and analyze in a literary work. I'm study literature because when I make some creation about literature, I must learn from basic, like a history about literature, what are the differences between literature and other literature. Become a writer apart from understanding writing and reading skill. Because of me, the writer must also understand literature because when making a literature work, a writer must know what are the rules when making a creation to can be accepted and read by many people. Then, in writing a work, it is necessary to use interesting language to reader, for the reader can feels happy when reading. My experience when I'm study, I once writing a drama script when I was in school. Then I once made narrative essay and descriptive essay. When I'm studied, sometimes I attend webinar about writing poetry and about Indonesian language. I am skilled in field of computers like operating Microsoft Office, editing photos and videos, and skilled in photography. That's my job interview. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.